money, Daddy.
What up? OD back with another video. Today I got that Split Pad Pro. On the side, on the back, whole lot. On the side, on the front, whole lot. Alright. Got the bracelet with the knife in it. You know what I mean? So for those looking for something for extra protection when you're walking around in the streets, ladies, you know what I mean? Get that. Alright? I'm gonna crack this thing open real quick. Love this bracelet. Getting everywhere with it. It's crazy because a lot of people's not on to this yet. So, you know what I mean? The blade is real small. Good enough to, you know what I mean, get them off you. Convert it into a little knife here, like that. So it's real dope. But the review ain't about this. The review is about this. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. As soon as we open it, we got the instructions. We got the pads right here. Now, I'm hearing a lot of different things about it. Don't have any rumble, so if you're into that rumble, you know what I mean, it ain't here. It has to be connected to the switch to work, so there ain't no wireless abilities. I'm pretty sure you can go around it by probably getting either a battery connector, something like that, probably would work, but see what happens. I'm gonna test them out, but just unboxing right now. So as you can see here, we got the buttons, the assign buttons, turbo button. So I'm pretty sure we can do some turbo things. Same on this one. So I'm guessing that if I'm correct, each turbo or assign button only works for the face devices on this pad, and an assign button will work to assign it here. So you could take a B button and put it down here, and the same as on this side. So pretty sure you could do the same thing on this side. So far it feels comfortable in my hand, and let's see what it do. Hold on, let me grab my switch. Took my switch out with me the other day. For them days it gets a little boring. Bring that bad boy with you. Alright, so here's my switch. Easy to grips. Seen before, did an unbox on these. If not, check it out. So these got the full rumble, as you already know. These are the grips for it. So for people who don't want to spend the money for these, because these were expensive, man. And all I see is the price going up and up and up. Like, I seen them for $100 the most, just for the grips. Not even with the Joy-Con, just for the grips. So for these to come out, for those people with long, big hands, you know who you are. You got these now. Slap these bad boys on, locks in place. So it's a little oversized, but I mean it gives you that comfort you need for your hands to your fingers to expand. You know, I got long fingers, so you need to be able to hit that. Oh, you can. You know what I mean? So let's test it out. See what's up. Let's go to something. I like to do my Street Fighter test. Matter of fact, let's do a Dragon Ball Z test, because Dragon Ball Z usually has the buttons clicking, mashing back and forth. Now, this thing would be perfect if and when some Call of Duty come out, or some first-person shooter that's fast-paced. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get a Call of Duty in the system. I hope so. You know what I mean? We got it on the Vita. You know, we got it on PSP. I think we got Medal on the PSP. But we need a first-person shooter. At least just a zombie joint, like on a phone. I feel like if it could be put on a phone, then it should be able to be put on the Switch. That's my opinion. Yeah. So, let's see what's up. Let's go into a game real quick. We're gonna see how the turbo work. We're gonna see how everything functions. Here we go. I don't know what's up with these Dragon Ball Z servers, man. Y'all not playing no more? What up? Alright, let's see if we get up here. Alright, communicate with server, create to lobby, connect to lobby. Alright, we finally got up in here. I honestly wish they would have made this interface a little bit better, but whatever. So we got a little space here, little bump. This controller is really oversized, so it doesn't sit flush with the screen on the top. As far as the bottom go, doesn't sit flush either. It has like a little curve into it. And you have these bumps here. And that's if you sit the controller down, it won't press the back buttons. Let's see how this thing feels. Controller feels good so far. It has R3 and the L3, so that's good. Let's go into arcade mode real quick. See how this turbo works. So I'm gonna press this, hold that.
Select your fighter! Goku! Gohan!
Alright, let's get up in here. Checking to see if fingerprints get left on it. Feels like a matte finish. The L and R buttons are very big.
This should be a great fight!
So that's cool. Alright, loading up. So I'll put the turbo on the Y button. I'm gonna see how it functions. You know, some games be stopping the turbo functionality. I know in Destiny it does. I had a turbo controller for my PlayStation. Destiny wouldn't let you use the functionality of the turbo. Let's see if this does. Usually fighting games allow you to do it.
Are you ready?
So let's hold down the button. Yeah, it does everything on its own. There you go. Alright. Let's switch the turbo to the X. Works. Yeah. See, this is straight cheat mode right here. You know what I mean? Just hold down the button. Oh my gosh. These wrecking dudes online, man. Oh, so the turbo could be assigned to any button simultaneously, so that's pretty dope. Let's turbo the A button. Okay. So we got simultaneous turbo buttons. That's pretty dope. A lot of controllers stop that. So I can just hold this thing down. Boom. Just keep doing moves. Boom. That's pretty dope. Alright, so like if you play Mortal Kombat or something like that, this would definitely be like a little cheat mode right here. So if you're not getting this controller just for the width of it, because you got big hands, if you got smaller hands, this might be a problem for you. But, you know what I mean, for Mortal Kombat, I could definitely see this as a real beast mode online, cheating. You know what I mean? Especially when you're trying to pull off those combos. If you hold the button down right, move the D-pad or the analog stick. Yeah, this is definitely be something nice. So I'm gonna use the turbo for forward and back. And see how this thing works. And I'm gonna do the assign button too. So I'm gonna do the assign button for Y. So let's see if the back buttons work appropriately.
Get ready. Let's go.
Alright, so here's the turbo working on the back. Let's see if that Y button works on the sign. It does. So you got yourself like a little pro Joy-Cons here right now. I mean, it's pretty dope. Yeah, I like that. Alright. I feel like my moves are a little more fluent. You know what I mean? Ooh, I dare you, Prelad. Alright, so mind you, if you're playing a game where back is blocked, you know what I mean? Having it with the turbo is not gonna help you. So just keep that in mind. It's over. It's over. Yeah, I really wish they put saw the anime game with all the characters on the Switch. Oh man, it's just the way they made it. Should have made it like this, honestly. They made it directly to the point. But the controller feels real good. Responsive. What it should be is connected directly to the Switch. Like I said, there's no wireless function, so that's not gonna work out for you. Like I said, I want to try it with a battery or something and see if it works. Let me see. I got one of those. So this device right here, put direct power inside. Let's see if it works with it. Maybe it might, maybe it will. That was real hard to put on. Alright, so we need a power source. So no, that's a no bueno. It would not work with this. So you can forget that. Has to be connected direct to the system at all times. I mean, if y'all find a different way, let me know. So far, this seems the way it gotta go, though. So that's pretty dope, though. I like it. Yeah, I like the width and everything. My hands feel comfortable. I don't have to, like, when I was just playing with the Joy-Cons, yo, this thing was killing my hands. I was getting cramps and everything. That's why I had to buy this. When I bought this, it was around like $60. Still overkill for a piece of plastic. Then I seen the numbers just keep jumping. Went from 80, 90, 100, 100 some change. So now that we got these though, unless you really, you know, crazy about the Joy-Cons, you need that rumble feature, you need your hands shaking when you're playing, then these are definitely a win right here. I mean, I'll definitely buy these. You know, I did buy it. Alright, anyway, my corny ass jokes. I'm out of here, man. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, holla at your boy, and I'll holla at y'all later. Easy.